It is a Monday through Friday course. It's a 40-hour course. Our goal at the end of the week is that they are mission ready. So when they go back to their airport, they can take that role of airport firefighter and be successful. There's been a lack of ARFF training in the Midwest for a number of years. An opportunity came about to bring one. ATW and Fox Valley Tech kind of partnered together to make this happen, and now we're one of the premier destinations in the country. When people ask me about why should they come to Fox Valley Tech for their aircraft firefighting training, I just point out we have a great facility. We have instructors that want to make sure you're successful and you're going to learn. And again, we're just going to keep getting better and better. We try to show all the things that we can do, the amount of time that we try to give students, in-depth training and hands-on training that they can use on a real emergency. We try to make our training, the hands-on portion, as realistic as we possibly can. When they're operating the Stryker, when they're operating the truck, we want them to do it the way they're going to do it real world. That's a benefit to the student. When they get back to the airport, we want them to be mission ready. With the 96 burn zones that we have on our wet deck, we can make fuel fires that are small to large. We can move them around. We can make them behave like a spill fire would behave. But we've had students from Canada, the West Coast, Idaho, Washington State, Oregon. We had a couple from the East Coast. We had a contingency from Egypt come here for training.
I was really pleasantly surprised going in. I didn't expect it. A lot of times when you go into trainings, they're old, they're antiquated. This brand new, beautiful building here, having aircraft with seats in it to do like search ops and rescue was fantastic. So you can get hooked up and caught on things, and it was just really, really awesome. There's nothing better for any firefighter than getting hands-on with the equipment that you'll be using out in the field. You can't look at a PowerPoint, you can't look at a computer-based simulation and get the same effect as you can if it's world class.